In the world of trading, your strategy is only half the battle. The other half is fought against a silent opponent: fees. Every trade, every overnight position, can slowly erode your capital. It's a fundamental problem for every trader. Today, we are reviewing a global broker designed to solve that problem. This is AAAFx. We're going to do a deep dive into their fee structure, their powerful copy trading technology, and their foundation of trust to help you decide if it's the right platform for you. For full transparency, this is a sponsored overview. Our goal is to provide a clear, factual breakdown of their services. The first and most significant feature of AAAFx is its fee structure. Let's break it down. First, zero commissions on stocks. If you trade CFDs on companies like Tesla, Amazon, or Google, you are not charged a separate commission fee for opening or closing your trade. For active stock traders, this can result in substantial savings over time. Second, and perhaps more importantly, is their zero swap fee policy on many popular instruments. What is a swap? It's an interest fee charged for holding a leveraged position overnight. For swing traders or position traders who hold trades for days, weeks, or even months, these fees accumulate and can turn a profitable trade into a break-even or losing one. FX eliminates this fee on gold, major Forex pairs, key indices, and cryptos. This fundamentally changes the math for long-term trading strategies. For platforms, AAAFx provides the industry standards, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. They are reliable, familiar, and powerful. However, their key technology partner is ZuluTrade, one of the world's most advanced social and copy trading platforms. This is more than just a feature, it's a complete ecosystem. Here is how it works in 3 steps. Step 1. Find. You can browse and filter through thousands of experienced traders based on their performance, risk level, assets traded, and more. Step 2. Analyze. ZuluTrade provides detailed statistics on every trader. You can see their historical profit, their drawdown, and their exact trading history. This transparency is crucial for making informed decisions. Step 3. Copy. Once you find traders you trust, you can allocate a portion of your capital to automatically copy their trades in real time. This allows you to build a diversified portfolio of strategies without executing every trade yourself. Technology and low fees are essential, but trust is the foundation. AAAFx was established in 2007, giving them a long track record in the industry. They are an internationally regulated broker, holding licenses from financial authorities like the FSCA and FSA. This regulatory oversight provides a critical layer of security for traders and their funds. The client portal is simple and intuitive, allowing you to manage your funds and open a live or demo account in just a few clicks. So, to summarize, who should consider AAAFx? First, the long-term trader who wants to eliminate the cost of overnight swap fees. Second, the cost-sensitive trader looking to avoid stock commissions. And third, the passive or beginner trader who can leverage the power of ZuluTrade to automate their strategy. One important consideration. Like most brokers, AAAFx has geographic restrictions and is not available in all countries, such as the USA. Be sure to check their website for availability in your region. If you want to test the platform and its features, the best way to start is with a free demo account. You can explore the ZuluTrade interface and practice trading without any risk. Use the first link in the video description to get started. Using that link is a great way to support the channel. Disclaimer: this content is sponsored by AAAFx and is for informational and educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Trading CFDs and other financial instruments involves a high level of risk and is not suitable for everyone. You may lose some or all of your invested capital. Always conduct your own thorough research and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.